This video courtesy of Body Cam Stories. See a vehicle over there? Cop stopped it for speeding. Turns out it's a what do you call it? Air Force Lieutenant Colonel, a doctor, some kind of fancy dentist really, and she refuses to abide by the instructions, telling the cop that she's traveling, soft-cytology situation. And that's about all she says about as far as soft-cytology goes. But yeah, she's traveling. So I can safely assume that her thought pattern might go in that direction of soft-cytology. I could be totally wrong, but it does sound like that. Anyway, you're gonna see a crazy window smash in this video. Haven't seen something as violent as this, as quick as this, in a long time. Let's go ahead and watch the video. You'll enjoy this one.
Go ahead. Not at this moment. Good afternoon.
Good
Hey,
evening.
hey, Colonel, you want to roll your window down?
No.
Why not?
Why are you detaining me?
I'm not detaining you, Colonel. I'm stopping you for doing 63 miles an hour in a 40-mile-an-hour zone. I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
Simple request, legal request, by the way, and a legal stop. If it was me, I would just go ahead and provide whatever I need to do. But that would be me, not this dear lady here.
Do you have proof of the speed?
Yes, I do. It's on my radar, ma'am.
May I see it?
No, you may not. 227. Send me another unit.
That's a wise call that the cop made just there.
I also had you doing 73 further down the road. I need your license, your insurance, and your registration.
Can I see the radar, please?
No, ma'am. You are not entitled to see my radar.
You're incriminating me on something, and you're saying that I'm not allowed to see.
Colonel, I need your driver's license, your insurance, and your registration.
I would like to see your supervisor.
227. Can you send me a supervisor? I need your license, insurance, and registration.
When your supervisor comes, sir?
Yeah, it doesn't really work like that. So we'll see what happens here, though.
You also don't have a seatbelt on.
Just keeps on keeping on. More and more charges.
What is your badge number, sir?
1721. That's my permanent ID number.
Okay, and your name?
Deputy McKenzie. It's right here, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm reaching in my car.
Go ahead. Do you have the register owner's information? Ten-4, thank you.
Could have been just a simple traffic stop, right? Speeding. Get a ticket, get a summons, whatever it might be, warning, whatever the cop decides to do. It's going to turn into something a lot worse than that. And it's all due to her. All due to her.
Can I have your badge number again, please?
1721. 227. She's refusing to provide driver's license, insurance, and registration or roll her window down. Is there a reason why you sat at that green light for several seconds? Sitting there, the green light?
No, not really.
Didn't want to make your turn? With a green arrow, you didn't want to make your turn? No?
Is there something wrong about...
Sitting at a green light with a turn signal giving you the authority to pass through the intersection. Yeah, most people, when they get a green light, they drive.
Yeah, I would guess so. I think that's sort of like the right thing to do at that point in time.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm just curious.
Backup is here.
Hey, it's a lieutenant colonel. I had her doing 73 down there, and then in the 40 I had her doing 63. She sat at the green turn signal, and she's refusing to roll her window down or provide any documentation. And I figured, why not get you here before I rip her out of a car?
Yeah, I think that's the thing to do. Get some backup. Before you start ripping people out, you might need backup.
Do you want to talk to her before I get her out?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay. No, she didn't, but it's on the 14 from the registered vehicle.
Yes.
Are you gonna roll your window down all the way?
No, can you hear me?
I can't. Problem.
I don't know. Your officer stopped me. And he won't let me see the radar.
You stopped first. Well, if you want to see the radar, you have to step out of the vehicle so you can see it. It's not a handheld device.
I don't have to step out of the vehicle.
You do by Florida law. So I'm not going to argue with you. What's going to happen is you're either going to roll the window down and cooperate from here on out,
What are you detaining
or
me for?
right now you're impeding an investigation
I'm investigating for what?
for a traffic violation.
What was the traffic violation?
I already
Speeding.
explained to you, ma'am. You're doing
Okay,
63 in a 40-mile-an-hour construction zone.
I'm just going to tell you what's going to happen. So either you cooperate from here on out, or we're going to break the window and pull you out of the vehicle and you're going to go to jail. It's
And
that simple.
You're going to break my window and vandalize the car?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
you're going to go to jail
For what?
for not cooperating.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, I'm just telling you what's going to happen. So
Sir,
you can
I'm
either just
traveling on my way home.
you can either
With my
just
earbuds.
go along with it.
Well, you're going to be traveling on your way to jail in a little bit if you don't comply. I don't know why people make such irrational decisions. I'm traveling on my way home. Okay. You still have to provide the license, insurance, and the rest of it when cops ask you for it. No idea.
Gas
Making
lock.
this a lot more difficult than it has to be.
Sir, are you the supervisor?
Yes, I am.
I would like to see the captain.
Okay, well, the captain doesn't work right now, so I'm the best you're going to get.
Well, I think I would like to see the captain.
Good.
So I'm asking you one more time: are you going to cooperate, or are they going to have to take you to jail?
Why are you taking me to jail?
Because you're not cooperating. It's just that simple.
Cooperating or not cooperating is not a crime.
Okay, but you're refusing to provide all the documentation that you're supposed to provide?
I'm traveling.
Okay.
You're gonna once again. You are going to travel to jail. I'm just saying. I would probably just, I don't know, comply to the cop's request for the information that he requires from me and take it from there. Go to court. Chat with the judge. Don't bother the cops. Never works out well.
Okay, but the United States Supreme Court says that we can have you step out of the vehicle during any traffic violation, during any investigation. So you are violating the law. So you can argue with me all you want. In the end, you're incorrect and you're wrong. Whatever you learned on the internet, book is all incorrect. It's not the truth. It's not right.
That's why we make these videos, because of the things that are being said on the internet.
The Florida Supreme Court has said, if I tell you to step out of the vehicle on a traffic violation, you will step out of the vehicle. So that's what I'm ordering you right now. You either cooperate and step out of the vehicle right now, or they're going to break your window, unlock your door, open the door, and pull you out of the car. And instead of just cooperating and getting a traffic violation, you're going to spend the night in jail. So are you prepared to spend the night in jail? Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you prepared to spend the rest of the night in jail? Huh? Okay, break the window and take her out. That's it.
Wow. That was a brutal window smash. Wow. I don't know what that guy used there, but it was effective. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Hey, that glass went in my eye! Hey!
Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle!
Are you fucking Freemasons? Hey! You cut my face and you broke my glasses!
Sue them. You can sue them. I mean, you can try. What a stupid thing to do. What a stupid thing to do. Look at the rank this woman has in the Air Force, I believe it is. Look at the rank. And what do you think of the decision she made in this traffic stop? I don't know. Myself personally, I would not take any advice from this lady. I'm just saying. I mean,
Can we have EMS come check her eyes out?
yeah.
You need to send an ambulance!
I just requested it.
Glasses in my eye!
Yep.
I'm not surprised.
Just sit you up. On the glass, just move her over to it.
Watch my glasses, sir!
You gonna stay here and be nice?
Sir, my glasses and you...
Right there. They're right behind you.
Okay. There's glass in my eye.
Once again, not surprised at all. Not surprised.
We've got an ambulance coming.
All right. I just need to say, our cop over there, he might want to lay off the donuts for a little bit over there. I'm just saying, spend more time in the gym rather than the donut shop. Just a suggestion. I mean, I don't know. What do you think? Yeah, by the way, I'd like this guy to chase me if I ever run away from cops. I'd like for him to chase me.
And there is no crime.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There is no crime.
I'm sorry, Lieutenant Colonel, but there's definitely a crime.
There's
That guy is so winded he can hardly stay upright.
none, sir. You're detaining me unlawfully.
Ah.
You will be getting sued. And if there is injury and scarring to my eye, you're going to be sued, sir. And you're going to lose your job.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
It's okay.
You're gonna ask for rotation.
Yep.
You did?
No, you
How
can't.
many of you are Brotherhood members?
What the
What does that
hell is
mean?
that?
You Freemason?
Nope.
You sure?
Absolutely.
How about you?
Nope.
What's your name?
Deputy Casey.
Deputy Casey.
Yep.
Ma'am, are you under the influence of anything?
No.
Yeah, that's what I'm also looking at. Yeah, I mean, I could be totally wrong, but it seems to me like there's this thing happening over there. I'm not sure what. Could be totally wrong. It's just what I think.
No, sir, I am not.
Is there a specific reason why Lieutenant Colonel of the United States Air Force is acting in such a manner?
Because your actions are unconstitutional.
Yeah, unfortunately that's incorrect.
It is not correct.
That's what I just said.
Sir, there's glass in my eye.
Yeah, and we have an ambulance coming to check you out.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm almost positive she might be under the influence of something. There's no way. Shame, it's a nice car. You're doing a vehicle inventory?
Yeah, she has a whole bunch of cash right here.
Whole bunch of what?
50s, 20s.
Okay.
She got receipts on them. Take a look at it.
Yeah, I'm not sure what all the cash is for, but you know, I suppose you can have it. I don't think there's a law against that, is there?
I'll just go ask her. I don't want to touch.
That's a stack. That's a stack. I'm impressed.
Just in her bag, make sure there's none of that, no drugs in there. Because she was
Right,
acting a little...
before it gets towed.
Coffee. She has a couple vitamins and stuff. Acid reducer.
That's a lot.
That's all she's got, an acid reducer.
That's a lot of cash.
Yeah.
Maybe she's a part of a booster club or something?
Not sure what it means. Anyone know that what that means? Can you explain to me in the comment section down below? What does that mean? I have no idea. If you know, please explain to me. I'd really love to understand what he's saying there.
And then I saw on one of her checkbooks, there's a check paid through.
This will go with her. This is gonna come. Are you part of a booster club or?
No, sir.
I want to make sure this goes with you so you don't lose any of it, okay? Is this all there was that was in there? This is a lot, most people don't roll around with this kind of cash.
Sorry, I can't even see what you're doing.
Okay. I've got several stacks of money.
Yes.
Okay, we're inventorying your vehicle. Are you like a booster club president or?
No, sir. That's my cash.
Okay. All right. We're going to make sure this goes with you, okay? And it'll be accounted for, and the jail will give you a receipt for all of the cash, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So you searched my bag and you searched my car?
No, we're inventorying your vehicle because it's getting towed.
No, because you're
As
searching my vehicle.
soon as your eye gets checked out, you're going in the back of my car and you're leaving. We are inventorying your vehicle.
Which is standard practice in a situation like this.
It's towed.
Sir,
it will
it's
go to a tow
illegal
lot.
Seizure and
No.
search. It's
No.
illegal seizure and search.
Oh my God! I'm not taking this from you. I'm trying to make sure we have it all so that you get it back.
You are illegally searching my vehicle.
You know what? I'll just leave it in there.
You know, those are all soft-setolity talking points, right? Now, I'm not saying she is a soft-set, but she does speak the language there. You know, I'm traveling, you know, and the rest of it. As far as I'm concerned, that points towards soft-setology. Not saying she is one, but it does point to that. What do you think? Am I wrong?
It's not a search.
You just want me to leave it in there for the tow truck driver, like a tip?
Sir, you had to go through a book bag to get the cash.
Yes,
God.
to do an inventory of the vehicle to see if there's any valuable possessions.
She didn't want to get out. Baton her window. She's got some glass in her face. Just want to make sure she's good to go before we take her up to jail.
Well, I mean, we can't say she's got glass in her eye.
Right. Well, like, you tell me. Otherwise, I'm going to be following y'all to the hospital or whatever.
And may I have my phone, please?
Are you wanting to go to the hospital?
I would.
Question for you. What is it with the tattoos on the arms nowadays with the cops and the first responders? Everybody's got their arms all tattooed up. Why is that? What? I mean, men, women, the whole lot. I don't get it. I don't get it. What is the thought behind that? If you know, let me know. I'd like to know.
Like to. So that the eye can be checked out. May I have my phone, please?
Not right now. It'll go with you when you go.
No, I would like my phone.
That's
I have
not
a
how it
right to
works.
contact.
That's not how it works.
That is how it works.
Okay.
No, look, this is how you ended yourself in handcuffs.
Don't tell me how to cop.
Sir, you don't know how to cop. Where is my phone?
Where you last left it.
May I have the phone?
No.
No, you can
Yes,
wait.
sir. I have to call my commander.
That's
Yeah,
not
your
like
commander's
your
going to
problem.
find out, all right.
I would like my phone to call my commander.
No.
Who's your commander? I might know him.
My
Here's the
phone.
deal. You're either going to get into the ambulance or you're going to jail.
Can you stop hollering, please, for just a second? Listen to me.
I would like my phone.
You are under arrest, which means all of your property goes with them. For now, you're under our medical care. You come with us. Your property is going with them, and then you have to be booked into jail and go through the process.
Ma'am, can I have my phone?
You cannot have your phone because it is their
I have a
property.
right to contact.
Not when you are under arrest. You can
I have a
contact
right
him
to contact
when you
even
get-
during arrest, ma'am.
When you get to the jail.
Great.
When you get to the jail, you can
I would like
contact-
a phone.
For now, we're going to get in the ambulance and go get your eye checked out.
I would like my phone to contact those, to
Okay.
contact my commander.
Well, they'll allow you to get phone numbers out of it when you get to the jail to make your...
Ma'am, I'd like my phone
It's
to
not gonna happen.
contact my commander.
If you want to get checked out by us and go to the hospital, then
You
come
gotta
with
get on the
us.
And I also would like my glasses.
You can get your glasses.
Well, the glasses, I think that is a fair request. Phone? No, not gonna get it. Glasses? Of course, she should have her glasses.
Thank you.
Do you want to go up this way or do you want to go up the side where it's easier to get up?
We can help you up. Can you make that step?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll come to this side over here.
I would like my glasses and my phone.
We're getting your glasses.
We're getting your stuff.
I would like my glasses and my phone, please.
You're not getting your phone.
Why would you withhold my phone?
You can get it when you get to the jail. They'll allow you to get 5 phone numbers off of it. So once the booking process is complete, then you
I
can
have
make
a
your
right
call.
to make contact and call my commander.
You don't know the things that you were saying.
Ma'am, I have to call my
Not
commander.
a ma'am.
You will call your commander
Sure.
when you get to looking.
Where are my glasses
We've got nursing
and my
staff at
phone,
the
please?
jail.
They do have nursing staff at the jail.
Because we're not getting anywhere.
Shit, I'll just take her.
They're just gonna call us to come transport her out to get x-rays to see if there's glass in her eyes. So we'll have to turn around and come back and get her and take her to the hospital.
Sir, where are my glasses?
Ma'am, I have your glasses right here. I noticed you have a concealed weapons permit. Do you have a firearm in the vehicle?
None.
None? Okay, thank you.
May I have the glasses, please?
You can have your glasses in just a second.
And I'd like my phone.
Okay.
All right,
Hey, let's
take
go
this
ahead.
up.
Ma'am, I
Look,
can't
They're
see.
bringing you the phone.
I want to count this cash in front of her just to verify
Yeah.
its amount.
Well, she's going to tell you she can't see it. I already tried that.
Just carefully, this is going to go out all over your face.
We're going to count this money in front of you so you can be sure that we're not taking any of it. I don't want your money. I don't need
Well,
it.
sir, you've already violated search
Just stop.
because you're
just stop.
searching and seizure without any cause.
I like that cop. He's had enough of this woman. Had more than enough of her.
3, 45,
You're actually sheriffs?
47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, that's 570.
May I have my phone to make
Three,
contact with
573 in the first bundle.
hospital or the jail?
You will get it at the jail. You will go to the hospital to get
Where
checked
is
out.
my phone so that I may make contact with representation and with my commander?
4, 5, it's another 500. Another 500 right here in 50s.
May I
20,
have
40,
a phone,
60,
please, so that I may
81,
make contact with
Another
my commander?
120s.
They've already told you now.
And you're detaining me with no crime,
4,
and you are detaining me
55,
with
another
no crime.
550s.
Interesting question here for you. Why would you keep your money in little bundles in different numbers of cash? You know, so much in this bundle, so much in that bundle. Why would you do that? That doesn't, unless you're keeping it for something, somebody, I don't know. I know in South Africa they have got something, I think they call it the stokvel, where people invest money in a, what do you call it? Group of people invest their money and they gain the benefits from that. I don't know, maybe something like that. I have no idea.
I'm not detaining you. I am an ambulance service providing you medical
20,
care for the glass
40,
in your eye.
60, 80, 100, another 120s, along with
The receipts.
the receipts.
All that can be handed to the jail when we get there.
Yep. There you go.
Are you going to go with them?
May I have my phone?
Stop it. Are
we
you going to go with them?
Hospital?
You're
Yeah.
going in the ambulance
Walk
with
this
us
way.
to the hospital.
May I have my phone, please?
Perfect.
Hello.
All right, walk this
Nice
way.
of you to be here. She's going to get searched right quick.
Anything gonna poke me, stick me, anything?
Nothing should poke you, ma'am.
Anything illegal on you?
No.
Okay. You just have a shirt underneath here? Okay. Anybody wanna give me a bag full of stuff?
Thor, you got that plastic black bag with the glasses? Thank you.
We got it.
Oh, more cash.
Holy shit.
Okay, that's going straight from pocket into the plastic bag.
The lady is loaded. I'd love to know what all that cash is for. Not gonna go to McDonald's with all of that cash. Very curious as to why I should have all that cash on a person. I'm not saying it's illegal. I think it's legal. But just curious.
What is up with the exorbitant amount of cash that you have on?
May I have my phone, please?
What do you tell you?
I need to call my commander and gain representation.
You know, you think
They'll find out when you're at the jail.
You'll be able to follow instructions and
I
understand
think
what
you're
we're telling
doing
you.
unconstitutional things.
Yeah, you don't know what you're talking about.
That legal traffic stop is unconstitutional? Okay.
You don't know how to police. You're not a sheriff.
Okay, then.
They also do not know how to police. So she's an expert in that as well. The lady is an all-round legal expert. I'm impressed.
Do you have
Stick
any
to
health?
dentistry.
Do you have any health problems?
No.
Do you take any
She has
medications?
an
No.
inhaler in her bag. Is that something you use?
Rare.
Okay.
May I have my phone to make contact? If nothing else, she is quite persistent in wanting to get her phone right. Which, by the way, she's not going to get. But she's persistent. I have to give her that.
What was that?
What is that?
What is this?
That is probably an instrument.
Probably an instrument. You're a glorified dentist. You should probably know. I don't know. I'm just thinking.
Yeah, Matt, you can see that?
No needles on you?
No, ma'am. May I have my phone to make contact with my commander?
You can make contact when
I
you're
got
at
you.
the jail.
Yep, I got you.
If you want to just go to jail and get checked out by medical there and make your phone calls, then you can do that.
That'd be the quickest way for you to get your phone.
Mackenzie, can you call my commander
Is that
on my
silver
behalf?
thing? Was that silver thing?
I
Here,
cannot.
hold on. I get the other thing.
What are they doing?
Is
I
there
mean,
a reason
I
why-
can call command.
Yeah, you got gloves?
What are those?
Check that out.
Oh, that's makeup.
That's makeup.
Okay.
They're both makeup.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Right? Makeup?
Yes, sir.
The only number I remember over there is the law enforcement desk.
I only know staff duty. That's it. That's it.
Can you contact the command post and contact my commander, please? Can you contact the command post and
The jail
contact
staff
my
will
commander,
take care of that
please?
for you.
Sir, you need to do it now.
No, I don't.
Yes, you
For
do.
you, so stop.
You do work for me. You're a sheriff of the county, aren't you?
But she said they.
Technically, she's right. Practically, she's an idiot. I'm just saying.
Or the sheriff.
I know. The county just shoot it.
Do you have the ability to give me my phone so that I can make contact?
You still need lights?
I'm good right now. Just a ton of pockets. Challenge coin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Where
Sir,
would you guys
as a
be taking it?
soldier, as an airman in the United States Air Force, you must contact my commander.
The jail staff will do that.
You must contact my
Stop
commander.
it.
Yeah, they don't have to. You're ridiculous.
Where will you guys be taking her?
You work for the people of the
Stokely
United
Hospital.
States.
Okay. So you're gonna want me to follow?
Yeah.
Okay.
May I have my phone to make contact?
You can use it at the
with
jail.
my commander and with representation.
At the jail.
Alright, there's like bunches of
May I have my phone to make contact with my commander?
At the jail.
And I notice that your cameras are off. That's interesting.
Running.
See, it's red.
Running?
And
Okay,
guess
good.
what?
Red is on.
Back,
Good.
they record 24/7.
That's excellent.
24/7.
That is
They're
excellent.
recording.
May I have my phone
Ladies and Jim.
At the
to contact my commander?
At the jail.
Do you have anything in your boots?
There's nothing in my boots.
Okay, what he was explaining is if you have anything else on you, when you get to the jail, it's an additional charge for introducing contraband. Do you understand?
So if you have something on your person, needle, knives,
Instruments.
I have my phone to contact my commander.
No, that is your work policy. That is not our policy. You will do it at the jail.
It is not lawful to detain an individual without being able to contact anybody.
So wrong. You're so wrong. On so many different points so far anyway. This is just another one. No surprise though.
You're good?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright. Are you gonna go with them? Okay, I will be following you guys.
Okay. We're gonna need the switch to the front when we get her in.
That's fine.
Alright, so that's where we stopped this video. There's still not a few minutes left, but nothing much. Yeah, I don't know what to say about this dear lady, Lieutenant Colonel in the Air Force, a dentist. Basically, she's got a fancy name, but dentist. Specializes in, I believe, the gums. And wow, they're charging her for DUI as well, by the way. So there are a few charges against her, but man, to me it sounds like she's got the soft cytology bug, at least. Or, you know, I'm traveling. That's a dead giveaway. Now, is she a full-fledged soft cit? I don't know. I have no idea. I can only respond to what she said, and I would bet that she's leaning, at least leaning in that direction, if not there yet. I don't know. I might be totally wrong. I might be seeing this totally in the wrong light. You let me know what you think. Is she leaning towards soft cytology, or is it just a manner of speaking? I have no idea. Let me know in the comments. And once again, thank you to Body Cam Stories. I appreciate this video. Quite a cool video. Great stuff. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so if you like what I do. Give us a like, share in the comments. Those things all help with YouTube. Cool. I'll see you in the next one.